Hello friends. Today we will discuss about the plant maintenance activities and of for this first we will discuss about the aim of plant maintenance. So the first aim is to obtain and maintain basic condition of equipment to avoid production loss. Second one is the follow all the productive approach to sustain zero breakdown. Next is improve improve maintenance knowledge and skill of maintenance and production members to minimize maintenance spare cost by effective utilization of time-based maintenance. Next one is introduction of CBM activities, condition-based maintenance. So this is the overall pillar structure. PM pillar have one chairman, one coordinator. This is the department wise, so wise team. This is overall function of plant maintenance in a plant to support AM. Next one is equipment failure analysis and countermeasures. Third one is periodic maintenance system. Fourth one is lubrication management. Fifth one is spare parts management, and sixth one is maintenance skill enhancement. So this is the breakdown analysis. In the word, there are only the five basic reasons by which breakdowns will happen. One first reason is poor basic condition. Second one is poor operating condition. Third one is deterioration. Fourth one is weak design, and fifth one is poor skill knowledge. So for basic condition, poor basic condition, we are doing JH activities, IR activities, making standard to restore basic condition of machine. Second one is poor operating condition. To control the poor operating condition, we are focused on parameter setting, making SOP for parameter settings, and revision the SOPs on time to time. Third one is deterioration. So deterioration have three parts. One is correct life estimation. Second one is part is replacement. Third one is inspection and lubrication. Why this we can control deterioration. Fourth one is weak design. To control weak design, we are focusing on inspection, repair, and replacement. And last one is poor skill and knowledge. For this, we are updation on knowledge of maintenance pupils and also skill enhancement of maintenance team. This is overall plant level activities, PM plant level activities. First, we select the part. This is the criteria for selection of part. We are selecting the part on the basis of short life, on the basis of high cost, imported or not imported, high MTTR or high lead time. Second one is selection of part for MTBF Kaizen to improve MTBF of that part. Third one is selection of activity for MTTR Kaizen to reduce MTTR. And last one is criteria for activity selection is maybe high repair time, first time not okay, restoration in case of high MTTR, outside repair, etc. This is overall activity of plant maintenance. First, we are working on 7 steps of plant maintenance. We will explain in next slide. Second one is guidance and support to autonomous maintenance. Third one is corrective maintenance and maintenance prevention. Fourth one is exploration of techniques for extending equipment life. And fifth one is research into predictive maintenance. By this, we are maximize output while reducing achieving zero breakdowns and zero defects. Apart from this, we are doing some other activities like planning and management of maintenance work, management of maintenance information, spare parts management, management of maintenance costs, rationalization of maintenance work. By this, we reduce input and maximize maintenance efficiency. Now we will discuss 7 steps of maintenance activities. So this is the overall chart of maintenance activities. In this activity, we are doing first three steps in one uh, column: preparation and improvement of preventive maintenance. For this, we are doing three steps. Number one, analysis of the difference between basic condition and the present condition. Second one is improvement of the difference between basic condition and used condition and the present condition. And third one is for sustenance, preparation of standards for basic condition. So this is the first three steps to improve basic condition of machine. The second point is execution of corrective maintenance. Uh, we are doing the corrective maintenance to extension of service life, adoption of measures to solve shortcomings. Third point is execution of predictive maintenance. For this, the improvement of inspection and maintenance efficiency. And fourth one is establishment of quality maintenance structure. So in this, we are doing overall equipment diagnosis to improve quality. And fifth one is establish on plant maintenance system. For this, we use equipments to its limit and utilize equipments for its maximum life. And next, last one is horizontal deployment. We are doing all seven activities in all the machines. So this is all seven activities plan for plant maintenance. Thank you.